Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership and context. That makes removal possible. Log into your realtor. Account, then open the listing page and note the MLS ID and agent name. Once done, check whether your photos are from your personal account or uploaded by an MLS feed. This matters because removal paths differ. Make sure your contact details match public records. Realtor. Uses that to validate requests. Now, prepare to contact either your listing agent or realtor. Support depending on the photo source. Next, you pursue the path that matches your situation. If your agent controls the MLS feed, ask them to remove or replace images at the MLS level. This prevents republishing. If the agent is unresponsive, file a support case with realtor. And choose photo removal, attach proof of ownership, a photo ID, and the MLS ID. Explain why removal is needed, include timestamps, and request a case number. Be direct but polite. You increase the chance of a timely outcome by providing clear evidence. Finally, confirm that photos are removed and that the listing cache was purged. Realtor. May show old images until caches update. Once removed, check the page in a private browser and across devices. If images persist, escalate. Ask for a cache purge, reference your support case number, and request supervisor review. If necessary, repeat with the MLS and document every interaction. This trail helps resolve disputes. One troubleshooting tip: clear your browser and CDN caches, then retry before escalating further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.